Alright guys, I'm back. This is going to be, I could have probably done the ETF positions within the other stock video, but I sort of bundled it with a couple of ideas on, well, it was just one real idea on BNGO, but I brought up a few other US plays potentially. I didn't really talk about the Australian stuff. Lithium still seems hot, so I'll do a watch list video tomorrow on just my thoughts on PLS. Actually, is something interesting. With the pullback that's occurred, to see if we can get a bounce on that. So that's something interesting that I'm looking at getting into. So this is the ETF. I didn't realize the Aussie market had a pretty good goddamn week. To be honest, now gold absolutely nothing. Emerging markets, global shares. So the Australian shares have been good, pretty goddamn good. So that's that on that. This could have been done. This is the Forex managed account. So it's been a slowish start to the year. Hasn't been fantastic, but it is what it is, and I'll obviously show you guys everything that does go on the account. So a little bit of profit there as well, and so it's the net profit. So that is it for that. Now I did long the Aussie dollar as well. I want to talk about the Aussie dollar because I'm sitting in a little bit of money in the US, so it's my interest to sort of manage that a little bit in regards to hedging or whatever. So that was the trade. This is just a small account. It was pretty aggressive sizing for me, but it's been alright. I found my niche a little bit with the Aussie dollar. So recently, the past couple of months, I'm up $100 on $1,000 account, so that's not too bad. Again, aggressive sizing that. So that is that. We'll see. I'd like to see it dip down a little bit further for an entry, so I'm going to leave it for now on that. So that's the trade. Even more, there was a trade. What was it? It was this one here. So I got it at 76. Moved the stop 76.52. Moved the stop at 76.54. And then it pulled back a little bit. Then it went up to 78. So that would have been that there. So I got in, out. That is painful. But anyway, so that's that. So I'm finding, with the Forex, just with everything else I'm doing, it's just mostly the Aussie dollar. And I use the index as a bit of a guide, the equity markets as well, but it's very choppy. Right now, it needs a significant catalyst, I think, to move further. So in regards to monetary policy, that's out the window because Governor Lowe isn't going to raise rates or anything like that at all anytime soon. So there was a mixed bag of the employment data was good, and then there was some not so good data that came out as well. Some spending data I can't quite recall, and that sort of cooled things down a little bit. So I got lucky at the top there. It was just it was moving really strongly. And I thought, 78's coming inbound, because I got out at 70. What did I get at? 77. So, it was a conservative exit, but I just thought, let's just take some profits. In the back of my mind, I was thinking about the previous trade that, came right back down and hit me out. But, the trade actually would have been exited as well, because we've got the low. 77.01. It would have taken out the stop. So, because I got in at 77.09, so 68 pips we gained there. So that is that. All right, guys, thank you for watching. think that's it, really. I'll close this down, but I believe that's it. Oh, one more thing. All right, the stake account. Sorry, I didn't mention this. So this is these are the first entries that I had on Apple and Tezon. So these are my first US positions that I did take. So this is just, I don't know, the honeymoon account. We'll call it the honeymoon account. So we'll just let this go. So we'll be getting, well, I'm getting married soon, but the wedding is happening later because my partner is Korean. So her parents and family want to come over. So they want to come over to Australia. So this will be the honeymoon account. That's what we'll call it. So entry at 389. You see what I did? I reversed, so I got in way more Apple than I did in Tesla. So that is unfortunate, but that's life. That is life. All right, that's it. And it still just keeps going, man. Like, it's been crazy, the US market. But let it do its thing. Okay, you know what I could do? I could bundle this with. Let's bring up PLS. This is a watch list as well. This is a watch list. Just bringing up PLS. All right. I won't because it's already Forex and ETF. So, but that chart. I mean, that's what I'm talking about in regards to why I'm interested in PLS. All right, guys. All right, that is the video. Pause thing has disappeared. There it is. Thanks for watching, guys, and bye for now.